Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that helps teams collaborate and manage work. It's a really powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from project management to marketing to sales. But before we get into the details of Smartsheet, I want to answer the question that you're probably wondering: is Smartsheet an application or software? The answer is that Smartsheet is both an application and software. It's an application because it's a web-based platform that you can access from any device with an internet connection. It's also software because it's a collection of programs that perform specific tasks. So, now that we've cleared that up, let's take a closer look at Smartsheet. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that helps teams collaborate and manage work. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from project management to marketing to sales. Smartsheet offers a variety of features, including Sheets. Sheets are the building blocks of Smartsheet. They can be used to track tasks, projects, budgets, and more. Forms. Forms can be used to collect data from users. Reports. Reports can be used to visualize data from sheets and forms. Dashboards. Dashboards can be used to provide an overview of your work. Automation. Smartsheet offers a variety of automation features that can help you save time and improve efficiency. Collaboration. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with others on your work. You can share sheets, forms, reports, and dashboards with other users. How to use Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a very easy-to-use platform. Once you've created an account, you can start creating sheets and forms. There are a number of resources available to help you learn how to use Smartsheet. These include the Smartsheet Help Center, the Smartsheet Community, Smartsheet Training Videos, Smartsheet Pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans. The price of your plan will depend on the number of users in your organization and the features that you need. Smartsheet Alternatives. There are a number of alternatives to Smartsheet available. Some of the most popular alternatives include Trello, Asana, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets. Smartsheet is a powerful and versatile platform that can be used to help teams collaborate and manage work. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Smartsheet. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.